Hello everyone, this is going to be an unboxing on Dollar Shave Club things. This is the box. Looks a little beat up, but it's fine. Not too bad. This time they kind of packaged it really bad. Okay, that's their perfume. I got a deodorant. Smells pretty good. Body wash, body cleanser, whatever. Alright. And hair paste. They just put one of these things in there. This time, not that well with the packaging. Usually it's pretty good, but this time, not too good. But nothing was damaged, so I guess it's fine. Yeah. This is just the unboxing. I like the smell of that one. Pretty much the same one, I think. The body cleanser. I think they changed the set every now and again. And the body paste, the hair paste, I haven't tried. Maybe it's good. We'll see. Alright. Thank you for watching and subscribe.